Hi nail lovers, welcome back to Isla Nails. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're a returning, welcome back. So today is going back to basic. Basic mean press on nail basic. I get a lot of questions on how do I measure my press on nails? How do I know what size I am going to put on as far as press on nails? So I have an Isla nail measuring tool right here, shown here. It explains to you basically how to measure, usually cm or millimeters, centimeters or millimeters. And nails are sized basically 0 to 9. It could differ depending. And then also you have sizes in between. So this is why it's imperative that you measure your nails. So nails run from size, width, measurements, right? 0 meaning 18. These are millimeters. So this is pretty much your size of nail. So this is the size of your nail and these are millimeters, okay? And this is what I'm gonna show you. This is an example of what size you're looking for when you get these millimeters. So for instance, this millimeter right here is equal to a 0. So my middle finger is pretty much 15 millimeters. So how do we measure that? I'm going to show you. Simple, very simple. So here we have a press-on nail, right? And what we're going to do, we're going to measure from this side of the nail bed, which is the widest side, to this side. So pretty much from one end of the wide nail to the other end of the wide nail. So let's just say I don't know if we're going to measure the press-on nail, or let's do a finger. So take a piece of tape, any tape, right? And we're gonna put it on our nail bed, right? Just like that. And then we're gonna take a marker, any marker, this is a Sharpie, and we're gonna mark from here, the widest side of your nail bed, to the other side of your widest side of your nail bed, right? And then we're gonna take this off, right? And we're gonna put it on a blank sheet right here, right? So then we're going to take our measuring tape. This is a huge one, but pretty much you get a normal regular one. But this is going to make, this will do. So we're measuring millimeters, right? So from this side to this side, we're going to count millimeters. These are, and you're going to count the line, every line that goes across from here, whether it's the inch or the millimeters, any single line that goes from here, from this side to this side, right? So let's count. One, I believe, let me see if I can see. 1, 2, 3. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 millimeters, correct? And this is my middle finger. So what did I say 15 millimeters will be? 15 millimeters will be a size 3. So there you have it. This is a size 3. So this would be my press-on nail for my middle finger. Size 3. Perfect. You see that? So that's how we're going to measure all our fingers. The same way I just showed you. Just like this. So here, middle finger would be a 0. And then middle finger would be, a 3. 3, right? A 3. So we have here thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky, right? So my middle finger is 3. Usually I'm a large. A large in size would be 0, 4, 3, 5, 7. This is a large for me. And this fits me. I'm a large. So that means that my middle finger is 3, my ring finger is 5, my pinky 7, my thumb is 0, and my index finger is a 4. So these are my sizes. This is a large. So pretty much we have a size chart. So we have here thumb. Thumb is usually a 0, a 1, and we have a small is a 2, a 3, and there's times where we have extra small. Index fingers are usually a size 4 and 5, If you have extra small fingers, it would be a 6. And then middle finger is a 3, a 4. And if you have a size extra small, would be a 5. Wedding finger is a 5 or a 6. If you have an extra small finger, it's a 7. Pinky, typically always 7, 8, or 9. Most likely 7 and 8. So these are typically what runs as far as your finger size, your press-on nail size. So always remember, if you're doing a thumb, you're gonna go for the 0 or the 1 or the 2, depending on the person's hands. If they're large, medium, small, extra small. Index finger, you're always gonna run for a 4 or 5. Okay, that's your index finger. So thumb, 0, 1, 2, or really 0, 1. If their fingers are small, then it's a 2, and so on. Index, always 4, 5. Middle, 3, 4. Wedding ring, 5, 6. And pinky, 7, 8, sometimes 9. So these are your sizes, okay? Let me see. What else? Oh, and keep in mind that also press-on nails product manufacturers are different. So you might buy something from one store and it'll run bigger than the other. So you just got to be careful and be mindful of what press-on nails. If you run to some press-on nails that you like and they fit constantly and the size is always right, I would say and recommend stay with that product manufacturer, okay? Or that person that you bought the nails from. So that would be easy for you to constantly be stable in terms of your nail size and your press-on nail, so you won't run into no problems. It's best to measure your nails. Measure with tape by counting millimeters or centimeters. All right, just like I showed you. Be mindful, some types of press-on nails come bigger than others, so don't assume all press-on nails are the same. They differ by brand, company. They will run big. Also be mindful. And if you like a brand, then stick with that brand for perfect sizing at all times. So there you have it. Let me just show you the sizes again. I only show you large. So large is 04357, medium is 15468, small is 25469, and extra small is 36579. So there you have it today. Pretty much basically, we went over the basic, and it was how to measure for press-on nails. Alrighty, so I'll see you guys again. See you real soon, and thanks for tuning in. Peace.